Hello, my dear second class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, what is our third chapter? About plants. Very good. About plants. Already we learned about the plants, no? Where it grows, what are the different types of plants and which climate they will grow. Already we learn the uses of a plant also we learn, and the parts of a plant also we learn. Today we are going to learn about taking care of a plant. Taking care of a plant. How mother will take care of a small baby, no, in the house, in your home. The same way we should take care of a plant like a baby. Understood, children? So today we are going to learn how to take care of a plant. Okay. We should water plants regularly. Regularly means daily we should water the plant. See, suppose if you not eat one day food, so what will happen? You will become sick, no? You will fall down and you will get headache, stomach ache and everything, no? The same way the plants will also require the food every day, isn't it? How plants, what plants will eat? Plants will, they will eat, they don't eat anything but they need water. They need water. So what is the first point? So we should water plants regularly means children daily, every day you should pour the water to the plants. So if you have plants in your home, daily you should pour the water to the plants. Then we should give them manure. So manure is the new word for MANURE. Manure. Manure is nothing but the tonic to the plants. So your mama will give you tonic, no, if you not eat properly, if you not growing properly. What the doctor will give some medicines to you, know? The same way you should give medicines to the plant, that is called manure. Manure is nothing but how it prepare, children, with the dry leaves and the soil and the peels of the vegetables. Your mama will peel the vegetable skin, no? All you can put in one pot and it became the manure. So that manure you can put to the plants. Then your plant will grow nicely tall and it will give flowers, lovely flowers and tasty fruits to you. So we should give them manure. Manure means weekly or 10 days or 15 days we should give manure to the plant. We should give them manure. Manure is nothing but the tonic to the plants. Then we should help them get sunlight. So without sunlight the plant can't survive. No, it will not live, it will die. So what you do? Morning sun will come at 7 and 6 o'clock. You should take your plant and keep it on sunlight. So when they require sunlight, because they have to prepare their own food, no. With the help of the sunlight only they will prepare their food. The leaves will prepare the food to the plant. So the plants require sunlight. So you take your plant and put your plant in a sunlight for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then afterwards you can keep them inside. Understood, children? So we should help them get sunlight. We should help them get sunlight. Sunlight. Okay, these are the points to take care of your plant. What is the first point? We should water the plants regularly. Then we should give them manure and we should help them to get sunlight. So did you know, children, Did you know? So what is it? Scientists have proved that you can talk or sing to your plants to keep them healthy. Okay, this is a new thing, no? You don't know, no? See what scientists are telling. So plants can hear your voice. They can respond to your voice. If you sing and talk to your plant, no, then your plant will glow nicely. Understood? So please talk with your plant and sing nice good songs to your plant. Okay. Once many villagers hug the trees in the neighborhood and form a circle around them. They did not want the construction workers to cut down their trees. So once what happened, children? See, some construction people. So who is the constructor? Who builds the houses? So he want to build big houses. So he want to cut all the trees in a village. So what the village people do, villagers, they came and they ran and they hugged the trees like these. Please do not cut our trees. Please do not cut our trees. These are our friends. So all the villagers people, they come and they hug all the trees. The villagers said that the woodcutters would have to first cut them down before they cut the trees. So what villagers told? So don't cut the trees. If you want to cut the trees, first you cut our heads, then you cut the trees. So this movement was called Chipko movement. Chipko means to hug. Chipko means to hug. Chipku is Hindi word which means sticking to something. Okay, children, so we should love our plants. How we are loving ourselves, so we should love our plants. Understood, children? Please take care of your plants. Please talk your plants and sing nice good songs to your plants. Then your plant will grow nicely. So everyone in second class, please buy one plant and look after your plant. Understood? In the Zoom class, I want to everyone to show your plant to me in the Zoom class. Understood, children? I hope you understand about taking care of plants. Okay, water the plants every day, children. Okay, be safe and happy at home. Thank you.